What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Danny, back with another video. Today, we're gonna talk about the Ridge wallet. I actually ended up getting one. I actually got this a few days ago, so I've already been using it. But I do want to show you, first of all, what it looks like. Look at that thing. I did get it custom engraved from Ridge for an extra $15. But this is the product red version, Ridge wallet, which I am loving. It is easily my favorite wallet I've ever owned. I love how minimal it is. It holds a ton of cards, as you can see. I've got a $100 bill back here that it's also holding. So, yeah, pretty cool. But this video is not only just showing off the wallet, it's also installing the AirTag function. You see I have a brand new AirTag. It's in the box. Right here is the AirTag clip that goes on the Ridge. And then in there is the screwdriver it came with, as well as some other stuff. And actually, it's not even in there. That's just the cover to the box. The actual box is right here. So you get this screwdriver, you get a money clip option, and you get some extra straps, it looks like. This actually may be for the money clip, actually, I believe it is. So, as well as some additional screws. In fact, that's what it says, in case of emergency. So, that being said, all of that is going back in because I'm not using this money clip because I have the AirTag money clip. So I'm gonna put all that stuff back in there. And we're just gonna set this off to the side for now. Obviously, I've opened up an AirTag before on this channel. We're gonna go ahead and open this one up real quick because we're gonna need it for the money clip. This will be my second AirTag that I own. So, AirTag. There it is. Nice and new. There's a little bit of a shortage of these right now. I had to drive really far to get one. To Belton, Missouri to get an AirTag. Because every other Target didn't have one nearby. Apple's out of them, Best Buy's out of them, Walmart didn't have any. So, anyway, sorry about the raspy voice. It's like 5 in the morning. My voice gets raspy at night. This is the Ridge AirTag money clip. So, and it may come with a screwdriver too. I don't remember. I did watch some videos on it. And I'm not exactly 100% sure how to install it, so I may do some cuts here. I really should get a knife someday. Actually, I have a knife around here somewhere, but it's not anywhere near me, so I'm just gonna dig into the box like that. Get the plastic off. The Ridge AirTag money clip installation guide. And here's the actual clip itself. Pretty nice. Oh yeah, there's another screwdriver in there. And this attaches with the money clip somehow. Screwdriver, and it's like 2 screws. So, cool. All right, so I've got 2 screwdrivers. I'm gonna go ahead and empty out my wallet, and I'm gonna do it off camera so you don't see my credit card information. And yeah, be right back. Okay, so first things first, I do need to take these screws off on both sides to release the outer plates from the inner plates, as well as this elastic band. So I'm gonna do that real quick off camera to save battery and to save time. Okay, so these are unscrewed. I'm gonna unscrew this side, and then I've already got the AirTag installed, activated on the clip. And I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Once you take off the 2 plates, okay, both plates are off, you then just simply remove the strap, the money clip strap, or I'm sorry, the money strap from the inner plates, and you put on the money clip strap like I've done here. And now I'm just gonna reassemble with the money clip. It's very easy process. Okay, and then once you've got everything put together, you've got your rebuilt Ridge wallet, and I must say, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I picked Product Red. I'm a sucker for Product Red. If you guys have been watching me a long time, you know I love Product Red products. Kind of redundant, but thanks to Apple. Sorry if you can hear my cat, he's currently playing with his toys. But Apple is what got me on the Product Red. And I think got a lot of us on the Product Red hype over the years. They were one of the first companies to have Product Red products. Anyway, so yeah, I've been wanting a Ridge wallet for a while, but when I saw the Product Red one, I was like, I gotta have this. So now with the money clip option, they do send it separate, and you do have to assemble it, obviously. And it's gonna run you about $170 after tax and shipping. And that's if you get the engraved option, because that's another $15. So if you don't get the engraved option, then it's gonna be less than $170. But I paid $170 for all of this. So real quick, let's put the money in. And the cool thing is the AirTag money clip is held on by friction. So you get your wallet rebuilt nice and tight, and that it's not going anywhere. It's sturdy. It's very nice. So, and yeah, it looks really good. I love it. Paired with the black and red and then the white font, the white AirTag fits in just fine. So there's that, and then you get your cards. I've got 4 cards here. Ridge, Sam's Club, Costco, Kansas City Public Library cards. And you just simply and easily insert the cards like that. And there you go. You are set to go, good to go. Beautifully designed. I can't believe how well Ridge Wallet designs their wallets. This thing is, it's so easy to take apart and put back together like it's nothing. So definitely recommend getting a Ridge wallet. Like I said before, I've been wanting one for quite a while now. I started seeing all my favorite YouTubers advertise Ridge wallets. I was like, you know what, I finally said, let me just get one. I've been putting it off for years. Let me go ahead and just get one, and I am so happy with this thing. I really am, because I actually did like traditional wallets, you know, where they would have a slot for your ID card. But these days, I don't care. I want all my cards in one thing, and especially if you use Apple Pay like I do, like, you don't always need to pull your cards out. So this is an even better solution. Gotta love the minimalism. And yeah, you heard me drop it just now on the tripod. This thing does not get beat up very easily. That is metal. So there you go. It's well put together. And yeah, that'll do for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, like I said, this is not a demo on how to do this video. I'm just kind of showing you the steps, the process, without actually showing you the steps and process. I'm just showing you my reaction to each step I do. It took me about 8 minutes to get this thing torn apart and rebuilt with the AirTag money clip. Alright guys, that'll do it. Thank you all so much for watching. Do appreciate it. More to come. Stay tuned. I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.